Maths. 4. Money. 4. Money. We often see tags attached to goods displayed at shops. The tag tells us the price of the article. We make payment and buy it. There was a special scheme at the sales counter of shirts. I bought a shirt for rupees 500 and got one free with it. I bought 3 t-shirts at the rate of rupees 400 each. These two boys are meeting after shopping. One boy has bought 2 shirts, one and one free gift for rupees 500. He spent rupees 250 per shirt. The other boy bought 3 t-shirts and paid rupees 400 each. He spent rupees 400 into 3 is equal to rupees 1200 for 3 t-shirts. If we know the cost of certain number of things, we can find the price of one. Similarly, if we know the price of one thing, we can find the price of more than one thing. The method of finding the price in this way is called the unitary method. The word unit means one. The basic mathematical operations used in unitary method are multiplication and division. When we know the value of one and need to find out the value of many, we multiply to do so. A. One pair of socks costs rupees 42. Find the price of 8 such pairs of socks. The price of one pair of socks is equal to rupees 42. The price of 8 pairs of socks is equal to rupees 42 into 8 is equal to rupees 336. Hence, the price of 8 pairs of socks is rupees 336. Teacher's tip: encourage the students to help their parents in bringing things like vegetables, grocery items, stationery items, etc. from shops so that they may learn the use of money. B. Sudhir earns rupees 44,800 in 4 months. What is his monthly income? Sudhir's income for 4 months is equal to rupees 44,800. Sudhir's income for 1 month is equal to rupees 44,800 divided by 4 is equal to rupees 11,200. Sudhir's monthly income is rupees 11,200. When we know the value of many and need to find out the value of one, we divide. C. Sumant wants to buy a packet of pencils. Packet A of 10 pencils is available for rupees 45 and packet B of 12 pencils is available for rupees 51. Which pencil is economical to buy? Price of one pencil of packet A. 10 pencils price is equal to rupees 45. Price of one pencil is equal to rupees 45 divided by 10 is equal to rupees 4 and 50 paise. Price of one pencil of packet B. 12 pencils cost is equal to rupees 51. Price of one pencil is equal to rupees 51 divided by 12 is equal to rupees 4 and 25 paise. It is economical to buy the pencil in packet B. D. A man earned rupees 425 in 5 hours. How much will he earn in 13 hours? In order to find the money earned by the man in 13 hours, we must first find the money he earns in 1 hour. Money earned is equal to rupees 425. Time taken is equal to 5 hours. Money earned in 1 hour is equal to rupees 425 divided by 5 is equal to rupees 85. Money earned in 13 hours is equal to rupees 85 into 13 is equal to rupees 1105. Exercise 2. Solve the following questions. Profit and loss. Mr. Khan is a merchant. He buys jackets from the factory at the rate of rupees 700 per jacket and sells at rupees 900 per jacket. How much does he earn in each transaction? He earns rupees 900 minus rupees 700 is equal to rupees 200 per jacket. The price at which an item is bought is called the cost price, CP. The price at which an item is sold is called the selling price, SP. When the selling price is more than the cost price, there is a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. What will happen if Mr. Khan has to sell the above jacket for an amount less than the cost price? Suppose Mr. Khan has to sell the jacket for rupees 650. Here the selling price is less than the cost price. Mr. Khan will incur a loss. When the cost price is more than the selling price, there is a loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. A. A shopkeeper bought a box of chocolates for rupees 155 and sold it for rupees 172. Did he make a profit or loss, or how much did he lose or gain? Cost price of a box of chocolates is equal to rupees 155. His selling price is equal to rupees 172. Since cost price is greater than selling price, he made a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to rupees 172 minus rupees 155 is equal to rupees 17. B. A shopkeeper bought a calculator for rupees 410 and sold it for rupees 395. What is its profit or loss? Cost price is equal to rupees 410. Selling price is equal to rupees 395. Here, the cost price is more than the selling price, so there is a loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price is equal to rupees 410 minus rupees 395 is equal to rupees 15. The shopkeeper suffered a loss of rupees 15. Determine the cost price and selling price. To find profit or loss, we need to know the cost price and selling price. It means the formula for profit and loss have three terms: cost price, selling price, and profit or loss. We can determine the third quantity if two quantities are known. Determine the cost price. To determine the cost price when profit and the selling price are given, we use the formula cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. To determine the cost price when loss is given, we use the formula cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. A. Mr. Anurag made a profit of rupees 55 and 50 paise on selling a football for rupees 240. What was the cost price of the football? Selling price is equal to rupees 240. Profit is equal to rupees 55 and 50 paise. Cost price is equal to selling price minus profit is equal to rupees 240 minus rupees 55 and 50 paise is equal to rupees 184 and 50 paise. The cost price of football was rupees 184 and 50 paise. B. Mr. Rohit sold a pair of shoes for rupees 780. He suffered a loss of rupees 147 in the deal. What was the cost price of the shoes? Selling price is equal to rupees 780. Loss is equal to rupees 147. Cost price is equal to selling price plus loss is equal to rupees 780 plus rupees 147 is equal to rupees 927. The cost price of shoes is rupees 927. Determine the selling price. To determine selling price when cost price and profit are given, we use the formula selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. To determine selling price when cost price and loss are given, we use the formula selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. A. A trader bought a bag of rice worth rupees 1020 and sold it at a profit of rupees 365. What was the selling price of the rice? Cost price is equal to rupees 1020. Profit is equal to rupees 365. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit is equal to rupees 1020 plus rupees 365 is equal to rupees 1385. B. Mrs. Sukriti bought a car for rupees 2,65,000. She didn't like the car and sold it at the loss of rupees 35,600. For how much did she sell the car? Cost price is equal to rupees 2,65,000. Loss is equal to rupees 35,600. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss is equal to rupees 2,65,000 minus rupees 35,600 is equal to rupees 2,29,400. Exercise 1. Determine the profit or loss in each case and fill in the empty boxes. 2. Complete the table. Three. Complete the table. Trixie. A shopkeeper bought 15 big boxes of chocolates, each having 8 chocolate bars, for rupees 1,800. He sold each chocolate bar at rupees 50. Find his profit or loss. Profit and loss together. Aman, a shopkeeper, buys 2 bicycles of different models A and B. He buys model A for rupees 2,250 and model B for rupees 3,240. He sells model A for rupees 2,000 and model B for rupees 3,700 respectively. Find his total profit and loss on this dealing. Cost of model A bicycle is equal to rupees 2,250. Selling price of model A bicycle is equal to rupees 2,000. As cost price is greater than selling price, hence the shopkeeper incurs a loss. His loss on model A is equal to rupees 2,250 minus rupees 2,000 is equal to rupees 250. Cost price of model B bicycle is equal to rupees 3,240. Selling price of model B bicycle is equal to rupees 3,700. As cost price is less than selling price, hence the shopkeeper gains a profit. The profit on model B is equal to rupees 3,700 minus rupees 3,240 is equal to rupees 460. His profit is more than his loss, so he gets a profit in this transaction. Total profit is equal to rupees 440 minus rupees 250 is equal to rupees 190. Exercise 1. Two. 3.